Very important problem in the G class, the leaks of the water in the interior of the car. So the water leaks in the G class is a grown history. So we're starting with, if you have rust on this side, the door seals. But another popular problem with leaks water is here. Is system for I forget the English about the front washer window. So I think for in solution, because the first problem is the first cause of the problem is the seal in the exterior side. Exactly, this seal here is defected, so you have water leaks from this seal between this the washer and the body, and the water come in interior and affected everything. But I have a new seals as in kit. I think the code is 463, 460, it is same, big update. But normally you have the first seal this, then the washer, then I have another seal. I make another seal between the washer and this parts. So my solution, what I found, and I tested the solution at another side and rear side, that I use the silicone grease for seals what used Mercedes for the door is like this. But the solution that found Mercedes between the body and the door seals for because the water sometimes go so between the seals and the body and go on the interior side, and you found it more and more water every day in this area. So I use this grease, full grease, so the area here is completely closed. If the exterior seal is defected, the water don't have an access to the interior side. That's first. Two, this grease is have very good resistant to corrosion and resistant to washer pressure. So it's very good solution. The rest is very simple. You have this first, this seal, then this washer, then the nuts. But I make another seal between this and this, so no metal, two metal. Success, guys.